I entered Meta on Monday at $563.17. My target was $603. Today is Wednesday. Just 2 days later, I just closed at $605.07. That is $2 above my target and 7.44% return in 2 days. And this is now my fourth Meta trade on this channel and 4 trades for win. Let me show you everything. Everything is on this channel is for educational purpose only. I paper trade my own system. I am not a financial advisor, and please always do your own research. Before I get into the trade breakdown, let me show you where the channel stands right now. 32 trades close going into this one, 31 wins and 1 loss, 96.9% win rate. And Meta specifically, this was my 4th trade on the stock and every single one of them. So first trade was it was here actually. This is the buying $646 March 20th and selling April 8th, which is 1.81%. And the second trade was this. I'm selling April 9th at $625, which is 4.14% return. Third trade was this here. I'm buying June 11 and selling this trade at is here June 15, which is 5.68% return. And now is the fourth trade. I bought it June 29 and sell it July 1st. And this one is 7.44% return. The average return across all 4 Meta trade is 4.77%. Every time my system flagged Meta above 70, it delivered. This is a very good news for me. This is the reason I established this channel. Just prove it, my system delivered, and that's the reason I am doing it. And whenever I get a good result, it makes me very happy. So let me take you back on Monday morning for this trade. If you watched the previous video, which is you can consider part 1, I entered this trade $563.17, even though I was expecting to getting around $540, but Monday morning it was a gap up. The stock is gap up 2.6%, even though is a kind of destroy my risk and reward ratio. But end of the day, I trusted my momentum swing score and I entered the stock, and I'm happy to do that. So end of the day, I got a positive return, and I sold it today, July 1st in the morning, $605.07, and captured a 7.44% profit for my paper trade portfolio. So and also, as I mentioned, my Meta score was 72.5, and this is above the threshold is 70 if you watching this video first time. So anything above the 70, my momentum swing score give it to me, I will pick that stock. So 4th time I traded and 4th win. This is perfect. So the reason I exited this morning, because seems like it is right now is even going to $621. So it seems like I exited a little early, but end of the day, the reason I exited, the stock go up to $610, and then after the $610, I do see a little bit of quick reversal go back to $605, and I decided, and the market is, you know, as we all know, that very volatile days we are going through. And I decided maybe capture the profit because I already hit my target, and I captured the 7.44% profit. End of the day, there is no such a written rule when to exit on the stock. This is totally up to you and up to your game plan. And I am the person always stick with my game plan. So when I see it's hit my target above exceeded $2, I decided to close the trade. But if anyone holding to the Meta, my personal opinion, I put something for you here. So actually now is the second target is $622. So which is seems like it getting to yeah, actually even it's past the $622. If you can see it here, let me try to make it a little bigger for you here. So if you can see it, even it seems like it go up to 623, but if you can see, this is right now the second target is becoming a kind of the resistant point. So, and it's go below to 621, so below the second target. So again, if you are holding, please watch those levels very carefully. 622 is right now is your new resistance. You have to watch it carefully. And $603 now is your new support level. Also watch that level. Whoever is holding these meta stocks, again, this is just my personal opinion. Please always do your own research. So let me break down for you. Let me close that one. Let me break down this trade for you one more time. This is the kind of game plan. I entered this trade is $563.17 on Monday, June 29. And I exited today $605.07. Holding time period is 2 days. Profit per share is $41.90. And total profit is 8,354. This is paper trade. And the return is 7.44%. Target 603. It's happily exceeded. 603 is happily exceeded. 605. And my stop loss was actually, first stop loss was 514, but when the stock jump on Monday morning, I adjust my stop loss to 525 level. So that brings my total, my channel total, 33 trade close, 32 wins, 1 loss, 96.97 win rate. We have to celebrate it. That's the good news. So my system now is I am scanning new pick. I have right now 4 open position. Let me show you those 4 open position as well. My paper trading, I have a BSX, ISRG, PODD and RMD. Seems like it, yes, BSX, ISRG and POD is lagging. But again, those are also good stocks and you can find the entry videos in this stock, in this channel. And I will also make closing videos as well, because some of them, especially PODD, I did some DCA, dollar cost averaging, because I believe that is a good discount. But again, maybe next video we can just specifically discuss DCA, because it might be double-edged sword type of tool. So you shouldn't use every single time DCA unless you know what you are buying. So RMD, if you can see that is right now is the 4%. So you may see some short videos about the RMD closing videos very shortly. It looks good, but so far I do have 4, and I will scan new one is very soon. Friday is market close, most likely Thursday, tomorrow, or maybe during the weekend. I will, you will find out my next pick, next stock, and we will go from there. If you follow the next trade from, again, entry to the exit, please subscribe. Every pick I posted publicly, every result, win or lost, is shown on this channel. 4 meta trades, 4 wins. The system is keep delivering. Let us keep going. No hype here, no promises, just the system and just the proof. And also, as I show you everything before, everything is recorded here. All the history, balance history, you can see it here. All the trades, you can see we close it, spot, DXCM, DT, all of them is here, and all of them you can find it in this channel page. So everything is here, everything is transparent. Thanks for watching again. See you next time and have a good day. Bye.